The Field Guide for Humans. Day 1. Meet Claude. Before anyone can use Claude well, they need a clear picture of what Claude actually is. That's today, the mental model that carries every day after it. Claude is a family of large language models, made by Anthropic. There are 3 siblings. Opus is the deep thinker. Sonnet is the balanced workhorse. Haiku is the quick, light one. You talk to all of them in plain language. Claude is excellent at drafting and editing, explaining hard things, working through code, and pulling structure out of messy information. It is not a search engine. It does not know what happened this morning. Claude works from the conversation in front of it inside a context window of finite size. Every chat starts fresh. It cannot see yesterday's session unless you bring the relevant pieces back in. Today's habit, the one that carries every other day. Put what matters into the conversation, verify what you can't check, and search for anything that needs to be current. Tomorrow, working in Claude.ai, making the everyday surface actually work for you.